KWIKOT ATW heat pump LinkWarm series. Monitor the operating temperature through multi-touch sensors. A large screen display, one system for all comfort needs. Heating, cooling, domestic hot water, new Eco Homes solution. Choose from 2 indoor unit options for your specific needs. Auto heat to raise temp and kill harmful bacteria. Uses the R290 natural refrigerant, harmless to the ozone layer. A variety of control modes available. There are more options to choose from.